With the potential to skyrocket as China's top-selling electric vehicle within half a year, a compact hatchback offering up to 251 miles of CLTC range is generating considerable buzz. Auto Shanghai 2023 witnessed the grand unveiling and initiation of pre-sales for BYD's Seagull subcompact EV. This B-segment hatchback is poised for immense success, as evidenced by the staggering 10,000 pre-orders placed within a mere day of its global premiere at the Auto Show press briefing. Belonging to BYD's Ocean series, alongside the Dolphin compact hatchback and Seal midsize sedan, the Seagull stands out as the brand's most affordable EV thus far. Priced at a mere $11,400, which converts to 78,800 yuan in China, the low cost likely contributes to the impressive volume of orders in such a brief period. Employing the E-Platform 3.0 by BYD, shared with the Dolphin and Seal, the Seagull derives power from a front-positioned electric motor with a capacity of 55 kilowatts or 74 horsepower. Shoppers can opt for one of two BYD Blade LFP battery packs, a 30 kilowatt-hour pack offering 190 miles, which is 305 kilometers of CLTC range, or a 38 kilowatt-hour battery with a 251-mile, which is 405 kilometers CLTC range. Both battery options boast DC fast charging capabilities, enabling the BYD Seagull to charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. The Seagull's contemporary design, bearing a resemblance to the Dolphin, but with a bolder twist, boasts a 5-door, 4-seat layout. Key exterior features include striking LED headlights, an expansive windshield with a solo wiper, a floating roof design, a rear LED light bar, reminiscent of the BYD D1 minivan, and an athletic roof spoiler. The cabin showcases a 5-inch instrument cluster and a 12.8-inch infotainment display, complemented by a sporty flat-bottom steering wheel, a wireless charging pad, and a pair of cup holders. The BYD Seagull possesses all the necessary attributes to reign supreme in its market segment, if not overall. In fact, analysts informed Reuters that it may ascend to the position of best-selling EV in China within 6 months of its debut. Given the magnitude of China's EV market, this could well propel the BYD Seagull to the title of the world's best-selling EV.